This video from Casio Help, we're looking at using the SR-S500 register with a barcode scanner. Now this video doesn't show you how to set up the barcode scanner or the barcode scanning products. I've got other videos showing you how to do this. This is more a basic how to use the scanner once it's all set up. It's really simple. I mean, if you've used a barcode scanner of a register before, you probably don't even need to watch this video. But the first basics, as with any sale, you need to be in the register position. And then all you do, I mean, the scanners aren't manufactured by Casio, so operation may vary slightly from one scanner to another, as in you might have to press the trigger, or on this one you simply hover the beam over the barcode, and providing that your product has been pre-programmed onto the register, you can see that every time you scan the barcode, the description and price appears on screen. The machine can do multiples, so 10 multiply if you're selling a lot of about one particular barcode. You can do, in probably retail practice would suggest that you should scan every barcode that comes through, really, to make sure that no one's messing around or conducting fraud at the till point. So you should scan every barcode as it comes through, but you can have the multiply option if you require it. Yeah, and basically you just repeat the process for every barcode or every item that you're scanning. You don't have to do all barcode sales in a transaction. You can enter any items or any PLUs that you need to during the transaction. Your review order screen will also work, so if you scan a barcode one too many times, you can go into the review order screen and remove it. So all the normal rules apply, and the same with cashing off. So if it's a high value transaction and they're paying by credit card, you've got your CH button here, and you can also cash a sale off if they pay £60 cash, for argument's sake. You transaction it off that way. Again, if you've got the receipt switched off, and you've seen my other video on programming the post receipt function, then you can simply press that button there and you'll get a copy receipt printout. So yeah, there's plenty of other videos appearing on screen now about how to use the 500, how to program it, including the scanner setting up. So you can check out any of those video links. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel because we're always posting new videos on the Casio tills, and you can also visit the website casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.